All right, so here I am with a second break. It's the classic double Anthology 15-16, break 2947. So let's do this. Good luck, everybody. So as always, I've got friends who can help me out in the bag with the checklist. Alright, so starting with a sizable signatures patch for the New York Islanders. Griffin Reinhardt. Next, we got a sizable signatures jersey for the Boston Bruins, Malcolm Subban. Subban for Boston. Next, we've got a t-shirt materials for the Vancouver Canucks, Bo Horvat. Horvat for the Vancouver Canucks t-shirt materials. We got a t-shirt materials for the Flyers, Eric Lindros. And the two of the scores aren't that good because they're randoms. So the first one is a random between Montreal and Boston. PK and Malcolm Subban. This will be our first random. And our last hit is the dual autograph random between Boston and Tampa Bay. Malcolm Subban and Jonathan Drouin.
Is it where Malcolm Subban playing that?
Yeah, he is. Third Malcolm Subban in the same box. So that was the first one. So Boston versus. Alright, so something that never happened will happen tonight, guys. Alright, so we start with sizable signatures patch for the Flyers. Keith Primo. Next, we got a sizable signatures for the Detroit Red Wings. Nicholas Lidstrom. Next, we get a massive materials for the Colorado Avalanche. Gabriel Landeskog. Next, we get a t-shirt materials for the engineers running New Jack Hopkins. Man, are you ready for us to hear what's going to happen? Are you ready for it? Alright, so we've got a pair of pieces. Montreal Canadiens and Boston Bruins, PK and Malcolm Subban.
You're going to get the same autograph?
So that one is a void because I'm going to give one to Boston and one to Montreal.
Good deal.
Both are white and black jerseys anyway. And the last hit is a dual autograph. Boston Bruins, Malcolm Subban. And Tampa Bay Lightning.
No random for you tonight.
Wow. Pretty amazing. I wasn't expecting that. So I'll just give one to Boston and one to Tampa Bay so everybody's happy. Everybody got it. So that was the Anthology break. That was a wonderful break. I had fun. No random. So we'll be back in 5 with our double of SP. What's next? SP Games? Let me see. Next one, SP Game Houston. Thanks, guys. SP Games will be next.